This isn't just another full-size keyboard. The Keychron K10 Pro claims to be a complete reimagining of the typing experience, and honestly, it delivers. From the moment you lay your fingers on it, you feel the difference. Keychron has truly gone back to the drawing board with the K10 Pro. It's a premium, full-size wireless mechanical keyboard that feels incredibly solid. What immediately stands out is the sheer level of customization. We're talking QMK and VIA programmability, which means you can remap any key, create macros, or set shortcuts with a simple drag-and-drop interface. And the best part? You only need to do it once in wired mode, and those custom layouts work flawlessly in wireless too. This is a game changer for anyone who truly wants to own their keyboard layout. Then there's the hot swappable design. Out of the box, it comes with Keychron K Pro brown switches, which are pre-lubed and offer a satisfying tactile bump. But if browns aren't your jam, or you just want to experiment, you can swap them out for almost any 3-pin or 5-pin MX switch on the market without any soldering. That's freedom right there. They've even thought about the bigger keys, incorporating PCB-mounted screw-in stabilizers for the spacebar, shift, and enter keys, which significantly reduces wobbliness and makes for a much smoother press. Connectivity is robust, offering stable Broadcom Bluetooth 5.1, letting you seamlessly switch between up to 3 devices, your laptop, phone, or tablet. And for those intense gaming sessions, or when you just prefer a wired connection, the USB Type-C mode boasts a 1000 Hz polling rate, making latency practically non-existent. Powering all this is a massive 4000 mAh battery, promising up to 100 hours of use at the lowest backlight setting. That's impressive endurance for a mechanical keyboard. But where the K10 Pro truly shines is in its upgraded typing experience. Keychron has packed it with sound-absorbing foam, a thick silicone dampening bottom pad, and a steel plate. The result? A wonderfully responsive feel with a surprisingly peaceful typing sound. It's not just quiet, it's refined. The south-facing white backlight is a thoughtful touch, illuminating the legends perfectly from your typing angle, and the double-shot PBT keycaps feel fantastic under the fingertips, resisting oil and wear beautifully. Whether you're a professional needing a reliable workhorse, a gamer demanding precision, or just someone who appreciates a truly premium typing experience, the Keychron K10 Pro is an outstanding contender. It's a full-size keyboard that doesn't compromise on modern features or build quality, making it a fantastic choice for anyone looking to elevate their desk setup.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.